So let's take a look at styles. This was the old-fashioned way of doing it. Well, back into 1994, as I said, I made a mistake earlier. This is the modern way of doing it, almost, but we don't attach it inside a tag. But there were specific words that you could use, BG color, to turn the background red, and as you can see, the style for CSS has got more words. Background hyphen color is red, but these are inside tags, and it's not the best way of doing it. What we try to do is separate out our styles from our sheet. And if you remember right the way back to the very start, I said that the head contains information for the browser, and really that's where we're going to start placing all of our styles. So what I want to do is create a section in the head for my style sheets, and this is going to also work when we do JavaScript. It's going to be inside the head, inside the browser, information to the browser, not something on the body of the document. So what I'm going to do is take all of these styles out of the tags. Just leave the tags as they are, because I'm going to specify it, and I think this is called internal because it's in the file, in the HTML file, which we don't tend to use. We tend to use external style sheets. They're incredibly powerful, and I've got no intention of teaching you much other than where they go and what they are. So I should now have a page that was back to normal as I started, but I've got a section, and let me just make that a little bit clearer by putting some space around it. A section at the top of my page in the head, not in the body of the document, which I'm going to place my styles. And what I can do is just choose the element I want to style. So for example, a table is an element, input is an element, style is an element, body is an element, and I can just sort of mention that as part of my style and then give it the style that I want. So we'll see that in the next video, and I'm going to style up maybe the body, maybe the table, and maybe even the rows. We'll see how we go.